This short video will explain how to learn Sindhi language with advanced Sindhi flashcards. The box contains over 100 flashcards and instructions. As you can see on the instruction sheet, there are 52 cards that explain Sindhi alphabet. Arabic Sindhi alphabet has 52 characters. But cards also explain how alphabet is written in Devanagari as well as in Roman script. So even if you do not know Arabic and Devanagari scripts, you will be able to learn Sindhi using Roman script. The pack contains 7 cards that explain how to count numbers in Sindhi. It also contains 7 cards for days of a week. 1 card explains names of colors in Sindhi. There are 4 cards that will explain vowels in Sindhi. There's a card that explains pronouns in Sindhi. And there are 31 cards that introduce you to a variety of words used in Sindhi. To start building vocabulary, to speak Sindhi, as well as to speak short sentences. You will see that each alphabet card has 2 sides. On one side, you will see an image of an object and a word describing that image in English. On the back of the card you would find same image but in white background. On top of the card there is Sindhi letter and a word using that letter sound on the top written in Arabic Sindhi script. Please note that the Arabic Sindhi script is written from right to left. On the lower left side of the card there is Sindhi letter and the word using that letter and letter sound written in Devanagari Sindhi script. On the lower right side of the card there is Sindhi letter and the word using that letter and letter sound written in Roman Sindhi script. Under the image in the bottom center of the card is Sindhi letter and a word using that letter sound on the top written in Arabic Sindhi script but in white shade. Please do not write with permanent ink on the shaded word and letter. This is given to see and practice writing on a separate paper. Enjoy learning Sindhi with your children, friends, and family.